When you're unpacking each box of ramps, you'll find a packet of connecting clips inside the stack of ramps. We found the easiest way to get started is to stand all the ramp pieces on end. Then you permanently install the clips through the top with the cotter pin on the underside. Once you've installed the clips, ramps can be assembled and disassembled with the clips attached. Lay out the ramps on the pavement. Leaving one ramp flat, hold the next piece at a 45-degree angle and insert one clip. The other clip is a tight fit, but it will go into place. Once all pieces are together, pull into proper position for your job. To minimize ramp movement in traffic, position the ramps at an angle to the traffic flow so vehicles cross the ramps one wheel at a time.